What's up, guys? It is August 21st, 2024. We're back at it again with the day trading recap of a 19-year-old. Let's get right into it. So we're trading the NASDAQ as always. And like I say, 20 points a day keeps the doctor away, meaning you're making money. That's all you need. All you need is 20 points a day. That's all you need. You can live off 20 points a day. But let me show you what happened exactly. Right? So we have these respected double tops and double bottoms on NQ, right? We have this kind of come up market structure right here. You know, you see that up, down, up, down, up. So it's kind of bullish. It is bullish. From the day prior, we had that move down, but it kind of stabilized, right? It drew on liquidity down here. We came up here, and we're just consolidating, boom, 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 and then it was looking bullish. So macro, looking at the macro perspective, we were bullish today. Now, let's take a quick look at where we are. So we opened the day, drew on some liquidity down here, right? We put in that sell side liquidity. We did it again. We did it again. We kept making higher highs and higher lows. We did it again. Bam. We're bullish on the smaller time frame, and we're bullish on the macro perspective. Then I see this beautiful 3-touch bull flag. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this is a great setup. So we wait for it to break right here at 654. We get in long. We get in some options contracts. We set our stop below here, and we look for a 1-to-1, right? It could have ran. It did run, actually. We could have. We wouldn't have two. We wouldn't have 2-0 yet. But if we did follow the 9 EMA strategy, we would still be long, and we would be. Now it's breaking. Okay, now it's breaking. So, systematically looking at it over a long period of time, taking that 1-to-1 every single day just works out a lot better. So let me run you through exactly what I did on the options contracts. Let me show you that real quick. And let's take a look at that. I'm going to bring that over, and we're going to take a look at that. Okay, so this is Thinkorswim. You guys should know what Thinkorswim is. Wow, look at that move down. That is a bomb move down. So let's see where I got in and where I got out. I'm just clearing that so I can show you. Right, we trade 0 DTE options, $2 out of the money, right? Because it has a pretty good delta. And it's quick enough so the theta doesn't really get me out. If you guys want a video of me explaining all the Greeks, I'd be happy to do that. Or comment down below if you want an in-depth video of my strategy and back testing of it. Okay, let's take a quick look. Come on. So we got 9 contracts at $1.12. For your information, that is, let's get the calculator app actually. Let's get the calculator app out here. I usually go into each trade with $1,000. That's just how I do it. Okay, so we went in with 9 contracts at $112. So that is $1,000. My size is about $1,000. I go in each trade with about $1,000. So I bought in for $1,000, right? $9.12, and I got out at 9 times 135. Okay, that's 1215. So what is 1215 minus that? Let's just call it 1008. It's $207. And that, my friends, is a 20% move in a matter of how many minutes, right? 6:54. I don't know why my time's off on this. 6:54, 2 minutes, 4, 6, about 8 minutes, I had a 20% move on the QQQ. Extremely consistent move. I was never really in the red for too long, and it just worked out perfectly. We could have gotten 146, but you know what? It was breaking up so quickly. As you can see, it wicked. It was going up so quickly. I threw one on the ask when I saw my profit got taken, and that's exactly how we do it. Like I say, guys, it's not the big moves that make accounts. It's the small moves each and every day. All you got to do is stay consistent and believe you are arriving at your dreams and goals. I'm arriving at being a multi-million-dollar trader. I'm arriving there. I already know it. I'm not going to rush the process. I'm not profit driven. I'm process driven, right? When you're process driven, you see things that other people don't. Some would say, oh, whatever, this over here is making me not want to get in the trade. No, you got to look at it with no emotion. You got to say, we're making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. We have a pullback. We're retesting. It looks strong. There's a flag forming. That's how you got to do it. So you guys have a great rest of your day. We're going to do another trading recap tomorrow if I take a trade. And comment down below if you want to see a full in-depth video of my trading setup, or if you want me to explain options or the Greeks or anything like that. Let me know down in the comments. Subscribe, like, do all that stuff, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.